Today we're diving into PMDAS and GMDAS, two versions of the order of operations that help us solve equations correctly. If you've ever been confused about whether to multiply or subtract first, this lesson will clear things up. What is PMDAS? PMDAS stands for parentheses, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. It tells us which operations to perform first when solving expressions. Example, solve 3 plus 6 times 2. Multiplication comes before addition. 6 times 2 equals 12. Then add. 3 plus 12 equals 15. Final answer, 15. What is GMDAS? GMDAS stands for grouping symbols, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. It's similar to PMDAS, but considers all grouping symbols, parentheses, brackets, braces, fraction bars. Example, solve 8 plus 4 divided by 2. Solve the grouping symbol first, 8 plus 4, 12. Then divide. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Final answer, 6. So, whether you use PMDAS or GMDAS, the key takeaway is to always follow the correct order of operations. Want to test your skills? Drop a math expression in the comments and let's solve it together. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap on PMDAS and GMDAS, two versions of the order of operations that help us solve equations correctly. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember, math is everywhere.